The Vice Chancellor and Principal of the Milton Magai Technical University, Professor Dr. Philip John Kanu, has said the university will hold its graduation and convocation ceremony on Saturday, 12th March 2022, almost after a decade without observing the ceremony. Professor Dr. Philip John Kanu made a statement at his Godrich office in Freetown. The college, which has existed for over 5 decades since its establishment as a polytechnic and has been transformed into a technical university in 2021. The convocation ceremony, according to Professor Dr. Philip John Kanu, will ease the burden on his administration, especially when students day in and day out knocking on their doors for their certificate.
Well, we are having a convocation. It's actually not a convocation for the university. It's a convocation for those people who have graduated from the Polytechnic period from 2015 to date. We are trying to make sure that we have all of those ones who graduated from 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 19, 20 and even 21, so that we'll clear all of these ones for them to have their degrees and their certificates and diplomas. So that's the kind of activity that we are going to do this Saturday on the 12th of March 2022. Well, condition number one, you must have gone through the program, which they've completed. Some of them completed 5 years ago, 6, 7 years ago. You must have completed your program, and for you to complete the program, you must have fulfilled all the requirements of the university. Satisfy the examiners, pass through exams. That's the major criteria, nothing else. Because as long as you are up to that level now, you must have paid all your fees, you must have completed all your work, your academic work, write your dissertation, publish your results. All of those ones have been done. They fulfill those requirements. That's why they publish their names, that they've completed the program. So they are eligible to have their degrees now at this time. It's unfortunate that they did not have their degrees before this time, because if somebody left your institution from 2015, it's only now that you are calling that individual to come and take a degree. It's really painful. You know, maybe some of them, they even now decide to forget about this degree and go in for something else. But that's why we want to clear this, so that we will not keep people again. We want, after the program, they will convocate, and anytime you come, you get your degree and you go out, you look for a job. So that's why we are trying to squeeze even the 2021, so that by next year, when we are talking about convocation, we are talking about convocation of the 2022, or if we are to wait for 2023, the convocation for the 2022 students. That's what we want to talk about, not backlog of years like 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018. That is really, really painful for you to finish your course and you have to wait for 5 years. The institution will now invite you to come and do convocation. We want to stop that trend.
For Star TV News in Freetown, George Elliott Sam reporting.